Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today here with you on this 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. This is an LT package. It is four-wheel drive. It is a local one-owner vehicle. Clean history reports, no accidents, all original paint. Great set of tires on it. Wheels. These are 22s in excellent shape. Paint and body are beautiful. This one has one little scratch on there. Rear backup camera, proximity sensors, remote hatch, remote start. I do have both key fobs for it. The third row is power, and then the second row will drop from these buttons. It doesn't raise back up, but still convenient if you ever have that kind of cargo space or need it. And this has the Bose stereo, adjustable pedals. You can see this driver's seat is in great shape. This is a 2020. It has 60,122 miles on it. Navigation, heated seats, Bluetooth. Captain's chairs in the back. How clean this thing is. That's super clean truck. We've got it here for you at Holiday Motors at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. We've got a ton of great financing options available for you. Warranty is included, and of course top dollar for your trade. So give us a call today. Let us know how we can earn your business. Set up an appointment, come by, take a look, see for yourself, and we look forward to hearing from you.